Hey guys, how are you all doing? Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope we are all well. Staying safe, staying occupied, and not getting too bored. Yeah, so over to the Bitcoin 15-minute DMT. I think I spoke about this, I definitely spoke about it a few times. The DMT line can often give us a point of support, so if we don't actually break under it and we start to basically trade back over it again, could be a good buy, which it did prove to be here. I mean, you can see we do get close to it on occasion, not often as close as just breaking through it but not selling, but occasionally we do. I mean, here unfortunately it just ticked into a sell, but you can see it really just touched the line and then came back up again. So that just show how useful this indicator can be. But yes, we didn't actually activate the trade this time, so that was good not to be in that trade. But what trade did activate was this Dominator sell on the 25-minute, which basically was a losing trade. So I did have the bottom for that, so lost a 2% on that trade. And then then we had a buy here. Didn't actually have the buy bot on, so I'm not actually in this trade, and it would actually be offside at the moment. But hey, let's see what happens. I've no doubt it's going to jump back up because I'm not in it. But that's just how it is at the moment. So yeah, some movement in the stock market, the oil market again. Oil had a big jump up. Stock markets have been up pretty strongly today, but maybe starting to show a bit of a weakness into the close now. Oh, I forgot to do Ethereum. How's our friend Ethereum doing? Our big strong altcoin. 15-minute DMT just recently moved up from that 160 mark that it was at yesterday. And the Dominator again faked us out on the Ethereum sell. Has actually clicked into a buy as well, and it's pretty much a similar case with Bitcoin, just slightly offside from that buy. But yeah, both Bitcoin and Ethereum 25-minute Dominators are in a buy, so see what happens there. Maybe we will get a move up. But yeah, that's it guys, that's all. It's just a quick video today. I won't take any more of your guys' time. So yeah, thanks for listening, and remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. A big move, we're still waiting on that big move. I mean, you can see tightening up there, in Bitcoin as well. You can see tightening up in the position. So we've got to make a big move at some point, guys, and it's going to be a big one. It's going to be a minimum of $1,000 move, I think. So we'll see what direction that ends up being in. Hopefully we can catch that with one of the bots and get back into the positive again, get some good trades. But yeah, so thanks for listening guys, and I'll speak to you soon.